Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. You're watching Burns Hustles, where we try to help you turn side hustles into cash. I try to be positive about Airbnb because I think overall it's a great business and it's a great side hustle overall. But one thing I've often had trouble with is the help, the help for hosts. And again, another time that I'm just disappointed with the help that I received. In my last video, I mentioned that I had this strange guest who basically was secretly staying in one of our huge guest houses, sneaking in, and the reasons why that happened. And then he had left a bunch of luggage, about 9 bags of stuff in our baggage drop area, and just some of these things I just never dealt with before, so I wasn't quite sure how to handle it. And I reached out to Airbnb to try to get some advice, and I was assured they start sort of helping you, and then the guy you're dealing with or the lady you're dealing with has a holiday and they're going to get back to you on a certain day. Well, they were supposed to get back to me on May 31st. It's now June 1st. No messages on May 31st. No messages today. We managed to solve the problem ourselves, but at first I wasn't sure that we even knew the address of this guy. He was staying illegally, so I wasn't even sure if the address he gave us was a real address. So I was hoping to get the address that he registered with Airbnb, because he's got to register all that information. At least to stay with us, you have to register all that stuff. So it would have been really nice to just have had a bit of help that way. But no, left on my own again to deal with this on my own. A lot of sort of faint praise about, wow, it's so great, you're a super host, thank you for doing all this for us. Yeah, well, thank you too, Airbnb. It would be nice if you kind of backed us up a little bit more and were a bit helpful. And if you're going to outsource, assuming that you do, outsource your employment, it'd be nice that you get someone who's actually reliable. So, end of my rant. I would love to hear from other hosts about what you think of the support, the help that you get from Airbnb. What's good, what's bad about it. At times they've been good, but I don't know, often I'm left sort of shaking my head and wondering about it. So yeah, please leave your comments about what you think about the help you've received from Airbnb, either as a host or even as a guest. I would love to hear what you think. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.